Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of reminding you guys to level up your ocean cleanup hobby before the rainbow weather because there is a shell that requires the rainbow weather, but you need to be level 8 of the ocean cleanup hobby. Right now, I'm at level 7, and it is pretty annoying because I still have like 2 levels to do, so I need the ocean cleanup hobby upgrade ticket. So this is your chance to grind for the grind cleaning and harvesting the plants that are underwater. So do that, guys. And yeah, hopefully you've reached level 8 by then. You still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days. So that's a long time to um, do this. It is easier to get points from the cleanup hobby because you have like a lot of deep pollutants. So you should join the events that are hosted by Oliver and by other people. I think I have to use wishing stars now because I've already hosted a lot of the cleanup hobbies. Sorry, the cleanup events. I don't know why I said hobbies. But I am able to do that again on Saturday, so I will do that and grind for the, I don't know, like exploration points. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!